Hey everyone, welcome back. If BMO Bill Pay is not working, first confirm your internet is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you're not able to do so, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. Then check that the pay details are correct and that the biller is active. Make sure you have enough available balance in your account. If the payment fails, log out of the app, swipe up from the bottom of the screen, look for BMO, close it completely by swiping it away, and then log back in. Next, head over to your app store, search for the app, and update it. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update your app if an update is available. If the bill pay still does not work, contact BMO support to check for the payment restriction or system delays, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick